toast doesn't keep you from becoming a millionaire or buying a home, right?
Right.
But what does it mean?
Well, it's just, I mean, I hear that, and I think it's the status.
Really?
Of their
You saved
lifestyle
0
is
time!
expected as millennials,
You're
Gen
fucking
Xers,
stupid!
whatever, to be at that status, and if you're not, you're considered like, oh, well, they're...
You saved the 0
The
time!
toast is keeping up with the Joneses. I wouldn't have thought.
I know, it is. Constantly, you're probably not being intentional with saving it for something important like a down payment on a house.
Right.
So,
What do you...
Lifestyle will kill you.
right.
And
Well,
keeping
you were
up with the
about to
Joneses
pass him on the
lifestyle will kill you
right,
double.
but you're turning left anyways.
That's really the subject of
What?
Life's Not Theirs, 7 months.
What?
I just said, you know, you're trying. I had one guy paying a little $11,000 bill he owed me, and he was paying like $100 here and $100 there. And finally, I had him come in. I said, dude, look, God just told me to let you go. Just forget it. I mean, our kids, we get along with our kids, and we did when they were at home. They come back home for a while, and they're just easy to get along with. It was fun. It was a fun time. We didn't want them to go, but yeah, it's good for them.
How,
It's good for them.
but, yeah,
Hey, thank you
BMW
for
up
calling
there.
in.
At the
Appreciate
exit.
you joining us.
Whoa, whoa!
Outstanding credit card debt. Credit card debt, revolving credit, has been growing at an annual rate of 4.9%. One reason is more consumers are getting access to
Where'd he come from?
Ruby is with us in Miami, Florida. Hi, Ruby. Welcome to the Dave Ramsey Show.
Hi, Dave, how are you?
Better than I deserve. I wish I was there. Nashville has a foot of snow. They've never been buckled in harnesses together. You put them in there. You would think that if one can pull 8,000, then two ought to be able to pull 16,000, right? Say yes. Two of them that have never been traced. When you're pulling together in the raising of your children, when you're pulling together in the implementation of your careers, when you're pulling together in the handling of your money, you...
My reflection in the mirror. There's no connection to myself.
Thank the Jewish Clown Awards gift basket.
I'm a Maple person.
We're all Maple people.
Attention Maple Universe. Prepare for a live announcement from Maple.
That's got a huge background in the fashion industry.
Geez, 2 cars?
We've got pot roast, we've got golf course, barbecue, football, draft beer, popcorn, awesome
What are you
daily
doing?
fragrances.
What are you doing?
Or, say there's some in your house you really don't want to hang around too long. The working title for this candle
We're going
was
on
Rich
a
Be Gone or
major
Mother-in-Law Be
highway.
Gone, but I
Go
decided to go with the
faster!
cleaner candle.
Stop
the spark.
stopping!
You just light that candle, 20 minutes, I guarantee.
This call may be monitored and recorded.
Bridgeport.
That is the 85,000.
Student loan on my part
How much?
was about 22,000,
Okay. What's the rest of it?
and the
What's
rest of
that
it
guy
is,
doing? That
car and
Audi?
credit card.
How much is the car?
The car is 14,000.
Okay. And so let's see, 26, 36.
He's still going on
you
that
said
shoulder. What
85, and so 50,000 on credit
Move
card.
over!
Yeah, well, like
He's still
10,000
going.
personal loan for the dad and then the rest
He's
is
got
credit card.
plenty
So
of
40
room
on
there.
credit
Yeah, yeah, he figured it out. Good job!
Okay. What does
Woo!
your husband make a year?
Look! They almost crashed! Oh no! My God, man!
I,
A Nissan.
that is stunning.
Really?
It wasn't even a cool car.
She walks says, honk honk, your Uber's here. You could
How do
fly.
you walk away from that with only minor injuries? That's like,
Oh,
What?
that is still just.
God damn.
You could practically hear. Oh, back it up a little bit. Back it up. Wait for it. You could practically. Here it comes. There you go. Oh. So I guess the first thing we learned this week is don't do
BMW.
fucking drugs while you're driving.
And a
or-
Nissan.
Shit. My God, you should be dead.
Lane. Another one.
minutes and paper in 30, while another individual can make a pencil in 30 minutes and paper
Yeah, that's pretty
in
bad.
60. In
That's a no
quick
turn on
time
red.
battle, it would take each of you 90 minutes to make a pencil.
According to the MV, but did not admit fault. According to the Mercury News, the company acknowledged that the car in autonomous driving mode in heavy traffic had aborted a lane change, but GM said that as its car was
You probably maybe should cut out. You know, we've talked about those things before on my channel, such as if you regularly go and get coffee at Starbucks, maybe you should cut that
Both
out.
of them?
Other things you can do to live more frugally, to slash your budget, slash your expenses, to pay off debt. Right? You're with me? You get it. Okay. So there
That's
are
weird.
10 things that
You're going to make some money. Let's find out how much money. You want a discount certificate? You can't go retail cars. You're going to put this car on the
Talking to her about subleasing at the beginning of September. And
No
she
turn
said that
on
would be
red.
fine. She
No
did want to
turn
talk
on
before I
red.
was going to sublease. And Katie answered the ad for Craigslist. She was
See, I'm not
needing to
moving.
move into someplace right away, which worked great.
I'm
for
not
me.
gonna move
Agreed
until
to
it
take
turns
over
green.
The remainder of my lease, which is 2
People
months.
always
You know,
accuse
at
me of
point,
that,
it's 3
even
months,
though
October, November, December.
I never
She
do
would
it.
pay me, and then I would pay the Hudson's.
Oh look, it's green. I can go now.
How many months?
Okay.
Ready to step out.
If you look like pigs, please calls, noise complaints from the downstairs tenants. Don't go there, gut you.
Yes, ma'am.
You want to be
What the
compensated.
fuck?
Yes, ma'am.
The defendant suggests that it's your fault.
Yep, no turn on red. What's this guy doing? Oh, don't tell me. Last second merge. Holding up the line.
In Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, that's going to take you 2 years.
Okay, cool.
Okay? Of hard work and sacrifice, and no eating out, and no vacations.
Why are you
and
this
Christmas
far
is a
back
craft.
from the red light? Move up.
Yeah.
You following me? Okay, now let's back up a second. How much do you owe on your student loans?
Roughly about 7,000.
What's the rest of this 21,000 then? What's the 21 payment?
The debts. You got a big car debt?
I do.
How much you owe on your car?
It's
Come on.
about 15,000.
Okay. Okay. And looks like there's maybe one more. What else is out there?
for Speed P, which was another route already in development, having been announced in 1993 and culminating in the release of Virtua Racing for the stock Mega.
Sounds like I do it. What the fuck? Really?